Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to send a whisper in Warframe. To send a whisper, start by pressing P on your keyboard to open the chat box. Go to any chat box and type /W, a quotation mark, and the name of the player that you want to send the whisper to. Close it with a quotation mark again, then type your message like hi and send it. If the player is online, the message will appear in the private pink chat window, only visible to you and the recipient. Another method is to left-click on the person that you want to send the whisper to and click on Talk. To initiate a private conversation with another player, you must have a mastery rank greater than 0, and they must be a friend, clanmate, or a recent player. And that's it. We just learned 2 ways to send a whisper in Warframe. If this video helped, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated in the next Warframe techniques and Delft Stack tutorials.